Hi everyone, and welcome to Web Easy Step Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to build threaded comments in codeigniter with easy way. Something else I want to teach you. To do it, but just learn the logic. You can do it in pure PHP, Laravel, Zend framework, or any other framework you need. I gonna teach you the logic. Okay, let's start. In my article in Web Easy Step, you gonna go to download link, click, then go to download repository. Seconds and download will start. After download finished, copy this file and go to your root htdocs, whatever example or whatever what you use, then extract here. Okay, then rename, just remove after dash and Web Easy Step. Yes, this is the project. After this, you open the project, you will see project like this. Open controllers, you will find news controller. Then we load news model, load comment model, load form validation to validate comments. We have index function to handle getting all news. So if you open news, you will find all articles. Then ShowOne, this function to handle getting news details and its comments based on news ID. We pass news ID here and then get posts news based on ID. You'll find news model. If you click here, get one, which get all news where news ID NEID equal NEID from CI news table, and get all news from CI news table. Then add comment function to handle add comments based on news ID. We here validate comment name, comment email, comment body. Then we say if validation equal to false, then redirect to news ShowOne ID and print all validation errors. Else, if this validation rules is true, add the comment. We have add new comment function in the comment model here. Let's show it. We insert the ID from the article to NEID column and the parent ID to the parent ID column. Comment name, comment email, comment body to this also columns, and the created date for this comment. And finally, insert. So after insert, redirect to the article. What we'll see next? We'll see show tree function. Show tree function is the function what get all comments based on news ID. So you can see all the comment tree in the bottom of this article. First, we create an array, empty array. Then get all parents comments IDs by using news ID. If we go to tree all, we will get the full tree comment based on news ID. Select all from comment table where any ID equal to the ID for the article. Then we loop through all comments. Yes, ID result, what we get from tree all. We loop through all these comments to save the parent IDs in the store all ID array. For each ID result as comment ID. Then we use array push to push all parent ID to this array. Then after returning all IDs, we pass 0 and the ID for the article and all returned parent IDs to inParent function. So what inParent will do? This is a recursive function to loop through all this ID to find comment's parent and its child. Let's take an example. In the first parameter, we pass 0. 0 means the parent for the tree. It will start from 0 comment. To understand what this means, let's go to the database. Go to demo database and see comment table. If you see this table, we have comment ID, which is the primary key column. It is auto increment. Then the NEID, which is the ID for the news article. If we go to CI news, we will find NEID was 38, okay, which inserted here. Parent ID start from 0 for any article, which means this is the first comment or the main root for the tree. Okay, 0 mean the first comment or the main root for this tree. If we suppose that someone add a reply for the first comment, what gonna happen? The second comment will be like that. He has ID2, comment ID2. In the NEID column will insert 38 for the article ID. And in parent ID, he will get his parent comment ID. So he reply on comment 1. Then he will take comment 1 ID and insert in his parent. This will point that this second comment is a reply for his parent, comment ID 1. If we suppose that someone make a reply, another reply, he will take ID 2 in parent ID column. Why? Because he reply on second comment. So he take comment ID 2 and pass it in the parent ID. So the child has the ID for his parent. And this what called adjacency model. Let's complete our discussion. So we pass 0 to this function as initialization, then the article ID, then the array for all parents ID, and make new variable as HTML to store all 3 HTML structure, then build the hierarchy HTML structure based on an order list, UL for the parent, then loop through all result. We search for all childs by the new ID and the parent ID, then loop through all these childs. After finish, close an order list. Then return all this HTML structure which was returned in show tree as return this in parent. And after returned this HTML in ShowOne function, we pass all these comments to comments array and pass this array to the view ShowOne in content folder. If we go to views, content folder, and ShowOne, we will find the title for the article, the description, the image, and the comments. Here the form for the comment. The action point to news controller, add comment function, and pass the news ID, comment name, comment email, comment body, and in the input we have hidden input which was parent ID, hidden input which is news ID. And if you notice that parent ID input has a value 0. Why? And also it have ID which was parent ID. If you go above, you will see this function. This function has a job, an important job. When you click on a link which has the class reply, it will take his ID and pass this ID to the child input which has parent ID and change his value. the parent ID, okay, and change this value. So when was the class reply? Yes, it is what generated in parent. If you see class reply here, if we click reply on this link, it will take the comment ID and identify it is a parent. Take the parent ID and then pass it to the value for parent ID in his child. And when post this comment, this input will inserted here to identify the parent ID for this reply. Okay, we have also these tables. You can import these tables with its examples. Also, you have the news list views to pass all articles news to this list. Finally, let's test our script. Okay, copy this name and go to localhost, the command is codeigniter, and we have this list. Why? Because we define in routes, we define news controller as a default controller. So when you run the script, it will go automatically to news controller. Okay, then we click on this article 38. As you see, the title, description, image, and comments. First comment, email, body of comment, and reply link. If someone click reply, then you see this child into the big UL. Let's make new comment to show it practically. Web easy step, the name, info at web easy step, the comment, threaded comment tutorial, post the comment, yes, comment was posted. What if we have a reply on this comment? What's gonna happen? Let's first open the inspector to show what happened in the backend. This is our comment box, and you show the comment link, the reply link, which have ID 8. So suppose we click on this form to inspect what happened. Remember, ID 8. in the form, this is the form, we have the name, then the input for the email, and the hidden, yes, the hidden for parent ID, and the hidden input for news ID, which is 38. Let's focus on this input. If we click reply, show what happened for this value. Now it was 0. Now it was 0. If we click reply, show what happened. It was 8. What is 8? 8, the parent ID. Let's test reply. Insert in the name Ahmad Fakhr. Email was specialist@gmail.com, and in the comment body, this is my reply, and add the comment to see what happened. Yes, this is the result for the threaded comment. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any question, I am here. Thank you for watching.